add custom funds to Steam Wallet. So if you want to add custom funds to Steam Wallet, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Steam. You can go with application, but make sure to go with your browser. Once you open up your browser, you just need to simply go with Steam, and you need to make sure to log into your Steam account. Once you've logged in, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile, and then go with account details. Under account details here, you will have your funds, right? So if you don't have any funds and if you want to add custom funds to your Steam wallet, then you just need to simply go with add funds to your Steam wallet. And here I have 4 to 5 funds in which I can add. But if you want to add custom funds, then simply right click on add funds option and then go with inspect. And once you go with inspect, make sure that you are under the elements tab. And under that, here you will have an option of data amount, right? So if you have the data amount as 400 or 500, what you need to do is you just need to simply double click on it. And here you need to change the data amount. So remove that and then you can add another data amount. So for example, I'll be adding 449. And once you've done that, now you just need to simply go and remove the inspect option and then go with add funds. Once you go with add funds, you need to go and add your payment method. So make sure to add your payment method. You can choose any one of these payment methods. And once you added your payment method, your funds will be added to your account and you will get a confirmation page saying thank you for your purchase. So that's how you can add custom funds to your Steam wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.